Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you something super important. Something most hairstylists overlook when it comes to trimming hair. We're talking about the nape and why cutting straight across and not in a U shape is the key to healthy, even hair growth. Alright, let's get right on into it. Okay, so right here I'm combing the hair all the way down into its natural fall, and I'm pretending like I'm about to cut it in a typical U shape that we all see and know. But no, this is exactly what you do not want to do. Cutting a U shape without checking the nape first is how clients end up with hair that looks good on the surface but continues to break underneath. Now watch this. I start by parting the hair at the crown and sectioning it down to the nape. Once I open that up, you can clearly see that the hair at the nape is way shorter than everything else. If you want this hair to actually grow, you have to trim it. So now, let's take that first nape section and cut it straight across. Yes, it's a lot shorter than the rest of the hair, but that's okay. From here, I take the next small section, break it down over the first guide, and I'll trim only what needs to go, not everything, just what's unhealthy. Then I part off another section, bringing that down over the previous one again. I'm cutting to the guide, not in a U shape, but straight across, building clean, even lines.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough.
Now I'm up at the crown, right below the apex of the head. I part left to right, comb it down, and here's where it gets real. You can literally see the breakage. There's a big gap in the middle, like a hole, while the sides are long. This is exactly what happens when the nape gets ignored. The top grows, the sides look full, but the middle is thin and uneven. We have to cut what is damaged so the whole head can grow back together strong and even. So now we're at the end of the cut. I'm not showing the full finish or how I added layers and face framing because this video is strictly about cutting the nape first and why it matters. The rest of the cut turned out beautifully and, more importantly, healthy. My client loved it, and I loved knowing her hair will actually grow in evenly from the bottom up. Alright guys, so that sums it up for this video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real hairstylist tips from a real hairstylist. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.